Hey guys, this is Jason with Glitch in the System. Today we're going to be looking at the new Xray Exploratory app. I just got an email notification that this guy came out today and it's free to use. So we're going to check it out, see all the features, and play around with it, see what it can do. Give it a test drive. Alright, stay tuned. First thing we need to do here is go to the Get Xrayapp Exploratory Testing app page and download this guy. Go ahead and hit that free download button here. Fill out your information, hit that download. Funny thing about the download button is it doesn't actually download, it's going to send you an email. So over here in my email, you can see that it's going to give you the actual download link. You click on that guy and then it's going to download a file for you to install. So if you're doing Mac, you can use that one. If you're doing Windows, you can use that one. If you click on the installation process, it pretty much just tells you to click on the button, run the app executable, and you should know how to install stuff. I'm pretty confident you guys know how to do this. However, this app does support Xray Jira, so you can link the Xray Exploratory app to Jira, so you can do things like automatically put bugs or whatever into your Jira tracking system through this app. All right, so let's go ahead and install this. So choose where you want to install it. And that was pretty quick and painless. So let's see, looks like it wants, wants some access and app feedback. Help us improve Xray by sharing anonymized app usage. We do not collect any, no, I usually don't do that. Let's go to maximize this. So you have a couple options here. Use the app without Jira, or you can connect Jira Xray instance. So I do not have Jira set up or Xray set up in Jira, so I'm just going to use the app without Jira. Create test session. Create a test session. Define the charter and scope to get started. You can also, there's a typo there. You can also open, save sessions, or connect to Jira to create test sessions with Jira issues. So we're going to create a new test session. And this is the first time I've ever used this app, so I'm doing this kind of cold turkey. I'm not reading any documentation or anything, just to see if this app is intuitive and if it is pretty much does what I'm expecting it to do. So I'm kind of having an idea of what I think it's going to do. So let's kind of go back to the web page here. So based on the web page, it says capture, record, and edit. So keep developers in the loop and easily capture evidence. XCA, which is Xray Exploratory app, has all of the powerful features to run successful exploratory testing. Mark defects, take video or screenshots to easily share your work, use annotation tools and wiki markup to edit notes. Now that's feedback your team will want to hear. All right, sounds cool, right? And then you can sync it with Xray. Don't care about that right now. Share your results with the team. So get the most out of exploratory testing with insights your team can easily tackle. Export a PDF report with all the evidence attached to your test run. You'll see your entire timeline with screenshots, notes, comments, and video references. So that's what I'm expecting it to do. I'm expecting to be able to use it, go through a website and do stuff and be able to annotate, take videos, screenshots, whatever, and then bundle that up so that I can give to somebody else. All right, so test. So define a title, charter, and preconditions. Start a test session when you are, and when you done, save it locally and export a PDF report. All right, so first of all, that's like the second spelling grammar mistake that I found within like 30-45 seconds. This is a test case management or a test management tool, testing tool. Come on, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys got a tester on your team. I'm hoping you have at least a QA or a tester on your team. So make it better. All right, so enter a brief name for this charter. So this is going to be, let's do sample charter. I don't know. I don't understand the purpose of that yet, so let's kind of figure it out. So describe your test charter, including its mission and areas, features to be tested. A possible format could be explore, area, feature, risk, with using resources, restriction, heuristics, dependencies, and to discover information. So they're kind of using kind of like a Gherkin type syntax that they're suggesting here. So explore, using, to discover, instead of like a given, when, then. But whatever, I think you can just write this freeform though. You have some tools here, so you can change headings, bold, italics, do all the fun stuff with your text. Bullets, links, tables, quotes, code snippets, and a divider, which is fun. Let's see. Let's actually choose a site to go test with, right? So I'm just going to use one that I own. So glitchitsystem.com/monster. So this is my site. I think it's like bob@bob.com, and then test 1. Let's see, test 1 2 3 4. Maybe test 1 2 3. There we go. Okay, so let's take this as our thing. So describe your test charter, including its mission. Let's say let's use their format. So explore, that's some hard to read text there. Explore that site, add, or let's see, to build a monster team. Let's see, what are they actually, with resources, dependencies. I don't want to get that detailed, so let's just say explore blah 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 to build a monster team of your dreams. Okay, cool, whatever. Preconditions, define required preconditions for this test. You know the username and password to log in. Cool. All right, so I have a start session button here, and there's a timer down here, which is interesting. So let's go ahead and before that, what if I hit this timeline? Okay, so it says session started, which I don't think it started, and session end. All right, let's hit the start. Okay, select window to record. Why are there 4? Why are there so many? Okay, it's seeing my, so I have two screens, so screen 1, screen 2, and then I guess, so this is an app I have open. This is an app I have open. I'm not sure what this is, and NVIDIA GeForce overlay. And then I have this Xray thing open here, and then a Google Chrome window. So let's just do the Google Chrome window. Okay, and the timer has started. Alrighty, so let's see. Back to the Chrome window. Oh, this is kind of going to be interesting. So let's see. How do I take a screenshot? Let's do a screenshot. Okay, so if you do screenshot and then it opens this window here, which is kind of cool. So let's see. Page after logging in has 2 monsters. Cool. All right, problem type, question. So you have comment type, so problem, suggestion, idea, question, concern, positive. Okay, so question. So let's say should have 2 monsters. Okay, cool. So you have an undo button, which doesn't do anything. Reset. Let's see. I guess you can draw and stuff like on this. So let's undo. Okay, so that's what the undo button's for. Let's do that. Or what does this do? Oh my goodness. Okay, I guess if you want to draw lines, let's see. I'd rather do a shape. There you go. So stroke. Whoa. So maybe something like that. And I would probably make it like red, so you know. And then just for clarity, let's do an arrow. Oh, arrow's going the wrong way. Oh, this is so you can't turn the arrow the other direction? That's interesting. There we go. So you can't really see it very well, but you see over the red, there's like this little thing here that lets you resize it and then move it, and somewhere in there is the rotate, but I can't quite get it again. All right, so okay, we'll just do that. So you have text, crop. I will try doing this. Apply. Oh no, that's the opposite of what I want to do. Okay, so crop is, oh, so this cursor is not going to work because you can see white on, this is not easy to use. Let's see, apply. Okay, there we go. So you see the cursor on there, it disappears if you have a white background, and even in the gray background it's kind of hard to use. So all right, so that's done. Oh, so talking about spelling errors, should have two monsters question. All right, so let's close and let's take a look at the app again. All right, so timeline, it says that after 22 seconds I took a screenshot. It took me about 3.5 minutes to make that screenshot like that. I guess you can go and edit this. Oh, so that checkbox next to the edit is activates the delete button. If you hit the edit, it edits. Okay, cool. Let's see. Let's take a note. Hi, this is a note. And then we'll just say this is a problem. So screenshot icon, note icon, same thing, you can delete. So I guess you can multi-select delete also. Cool. Let's see, record video. Is it recording? Because it just kicked me out of there. Stop recording. Okay, so I guess that was recording. Oh, so you can see my mouse. That's actually pretty cool. It'd be nice to know that I was actually recording, because I could see myself pushing that button and then have it be recording for the rest of the day and not even know it. Let's clear that. Oh, that's for the comments. Close. Let's go ahead and delete that. Let's try that out. Delete. All right. So record video. That time it didn't take me to the web page, so I'm not sure what it's going to do. So let's just click some buttons and then stop recording. Okay, so even though it didn't autofocus the web page that time, it looks like it is still recording. Okay, and it did record the right page. Cool. This is a recording, and we'll call this idea. Sure. Cool. So one thing I'm noticing is that oh, so it says note problem video idea. Okay, so it is annotated somewhere that this is a question, this is a problem, this is an idea. It's just Not super obvious, but it's there. Okay, so let's do a record audio. Hello, this is me recording audio, and that yeah, words. Okay, cool. Let me put my headphones on and see what it sounds like. Audio. Hello, this is me recording audio, and that yeah, words. Okay, cool. All right, so that actually works pretty good. I'm not sure why you would want to record audio without video. I wonder if the video has audio on it too, because I didn't try recording any audio on that. So let's just say test audio here. Maybe if you want to like leave like an end of test thing that says, hi, here's my analysis and blah blah blah, I did this and that and those sorts of things, and see my report and ask me if you have any questions. So it could be like a good thing for a wrap up. Or also you can use it probably for like an intro. So you're gonna say, this is the stuff that I'm gonna test, this, that, and whatever, and yeah, that sort of thing. So let me see, did this record any audio? Oh, you can't play it. That's sad. So you can pause session. So it looks like you can play it. All right. So, oh, that's why it's a hand. You can rearrange stuff. That's kind of cool. Okay, so let's do an edit here, and let's see. Yeah, so there's no audio on the video, which I find interesting. Okay, let's try to do the video again. Record video. Hello, testing 1 2 3, and play that. Yeah, because the volume control is not even there, so that means there's no audio attached. So that is interesting. So you can record video without audio, or you can record audio without video, but not both at the same time. All right, so let's go ahead and hit end session. I think I'm done testing this. It was not a great test, but I'm done testing this website. So end session. All right, cool. So it kicks me into this view. So you can resume it. You can create a new one. You can reset it, which I'm gonna guess that deletes everything. And then here's kind of what we put before. Let's see. I think this is just like a last chance to review what you've done, kind of thing. Which is kind of nice. It lays it out in kind of like a logical way, right? So you can see stuff. Everything's really big and easy to deal with. You can edit things how you want them, and things look pretty nice. Let's go ahead and hit export session report. Let's just put it on the desktop and save. Okay, and let's take a look and see what that looks like. So, all right, so this wasn't here before. I'm gonna guess that's what it was. So it's just a dated folder, date and timestamp, I guess. Let's see. It's going to extract, and this is what's inside. So audios, screenshots, videos, and test sessions. So I'm going to guess we want to open this, which is going to be a PDF, and so this is a link because you can see that link works. Cool. So title, yeah, this is a little hard to read. Oh, interesting. So it actually tells you the screen size that I worked with, the window monster, and the browser, and my operating system, how long the session was. That's pretty cool. So let's see, this is not actually a play button. So here's a question, monster team, blah blah blah. Page after logging in should have 2 monsters. Cool. Problem high. This is a note. That's great. Let's see. Here's a video. This is a recording. audio, video. So I don't know how useful this is with the audio and video, because it's just like a screenshot of like the audio and video. Let's see, audios. So the audio name is just that, and there's not any link that associates it. Let's just do that. Audio. So that is the audio. Screenshots, there's the screenshot, and then videos. Video is indeed there, still with no sound. All right. But it would be nice if, like, if I click on this, it would actually open the video or the audio, because as you can see, the videos are just timestamped. So I would have a very hard time figuring out which video, since they're going to look very similar, since you're testing one web app or one application. They're going to be very hard to distinguish if I'm going to have to go figure it out myself. So it would be nice if this was a link or something. Yep. Okay. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So this was pretty intuitive. I would say it did a pretty decent job of doing what I was expecting it to do. So it's used for exploratory testing. You can easily mark up stuff. You can easily take screenshots and videos and all that stuff. That's all great. It did a good job of all of that. The presentation looks good. The interface looks pretty nice. It was super fast to install, and it generates a nice report. So downside for me is going to be a few things. Obviously, the report not being able to click out. I think I closed it. Click out to the actual video file or click out to the actual audio file is not great. And then also not having any audio attached to your video itself, that you have like either video or you have audio. You don't have a video with audio, because that's often important. Video usually has audio. It's usually not just video, because we're not just making Giphies or Jiffies or however you want to pronounce it. We're making things that sometimes require audio. So those are my two major gripes. The editor here was a little wonky. There's some usability things that need to be shorn up, but overall this is pretty cool. I think it would be a valuable tool with a few minor updates and tweaks. But yeah, great job, Xray. I'm probably going to use this for some upcoming videos that I will be doing, because it's exactly what I need. It's perfect timing for that. Okay, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, the bell, and the like, so I can make more of these videos. I'm gonna try to make more videos about using different testing tools, how to set up things, just kind of keep it more light and casual on YouTube. I'm gonna leave the more structured stuff for Udemy most likely, but we'll see how it goes. So until next time.